from the Très Bon restaurant in Bangalore. So another episode today, we're going to cook a nice marmite stock to make our traditional French onion soup. Let's start it now. First of all, what you have to do first, wash your hands. Ingredients: brown onions, a carrot, romarin from my jardin, celery stick, bay leaf, clove, white pepper, rock salt, table salt, and a lovely tomato paste. Okay, a nice brown onions. Let's cut the onions in half. I need the skin to give a nice color to the stock. Now I will burn these two half onions using a frying pan. Can you hear this this noise? It's a beautiful music. Huh? So burning the onions just to give a nice color and a little taste as well of the marmite. So that's the only time actually you can burn something in the kitchen. Okay, don't waste time. During this time here, we will organize a beautiful bouquet garni using this celery branch, romarin, bay leaf. I just need 3 or 4, which is enough, and nice stick of carrots. Just cut the carrots in half, and again in half, which is 4 pieces. Now this is the garnish bouquet, which is a bouquet garni in French, and we will now finish this bouquet using a kitchen twine. Just 2 times will be enough. 1, 2, a nice knot. Voila. Now we're going to put into the pot this chicken carcass. 1, 2, 3. After this, the garnish bouquet. The burning onions. Let's see. Oh, this is perfect. In a pot. Voila. I will crush now the garlic clove using my knife, like this, and just to press hardly. Crush garlic in a pot. Voila. Now, seasoning time. Clove. Voila. Tomato paste. White pepper. Rock salt. 2 tablespoons. So 2 teaspoons will be enough of salt, you know. We say in French, if we put too much salt, that means the chef's in love. Le chef est amoureux. And maybe it's the case. Now I'm going to cover all the ingredients with cold water. Voila. I'll bring to the boil until simmering. So I make sure all the ingredients are under the water. Voila. This is fine. And I will cover this pot halfway. You see, it's a French pot, and that's the secret of a good success for French cuisine. During this time now, we can cut and slice finely the onions to caramelize and confit the onions slowly with a little bit of butter. Remember, it's a French cuisine, we like butter. So cutting the onions in half, and after just slice them finely. Last one, 1, 2, 3. Oh, but my fingers. This is fantastic. Time now to sweat the onions. Sweating, which is a suer in French. Okay, using a beautiful piece of butter. Voila. I like butter. Another one. Please be generous with butter. Let's take the onions. Beautiful onions. And drop all the onions in a hot butter. Time to season with table salt and white pepper. Voila. Time now to cover these beautiful onions. Just leave them to cook slowly and slowly for a good half an hour. Stir them every 5 minutes to make sure they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. Time to check now our marmite stock. Simmering beautifully and skim if necessary. Remove the impurities. It's coming from the chicken bones, of course. Leave to simmer in for another 15 minutes. Just lovely flavors. Okay, this is now the right color. It's beautiful caramelized. Look at this nice hazelnut color. Et voilà, une belle baguette, nice baguette, bread, French bread, to finish this onion soup. A crouton, which is a slice of fresh baguette. Voilà, 2 slices per person will be enough. Let's sit these slices of baguette on a baking tray. Voilà. And sprinkle with a shredded Emmental cheese. Beautiful cheese. So this is the garniture. That's what's going to sit on top of your soup. It's part of the recipe. So a nice gratiné crouton. Look how nice the croutons are. Final step, let's finish this French onion soup. The stock is perfect, so we call that a marmite stock, okay? The onions are perfectly caramelized. To finish this soup, we need a teaspoon of corn flour, just to get the right consistency. So just combine the corn flour with the onions, the caramelized onions. See the color. Deglaze with a nice wine from my terroir, which is Alsace. So just a little clin d'œil from Alsace, huh? Hello Jean-Claude and Annette. This is a nice Pinot Gris. Just a little glass. Voilà. So we can get also the sweetness of the wine. Now it's the time to drain the stock using a conical strainer or any other kind of strainer. I can tell you the flavor is just unbelievable. Remind me lots of memories. The soup is completely ready. So remember, white Marmite stock. So you can do your own at home. Please don't go to the supermarket. Okay? So let's plate. Grab your bowl. So this is a French bowl. We call that a tête de lion. Nice ladle. It's time to try now, to taste it. Voilà. Les croûtons. 1, 2. A nice glass of wine. And ooh la la. Let's try. Oh la la. This is beautiful. I really love that. Please cook your own onion soup. It's a time to do it. You've got all the ingredients. It's so easy. Watch me again. And bon appétit. À bientôt les amis. Merci. Au revoir.